Hey guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. It is getting really cold in Brisbane, so today I'm going to make for you a beautiful hot soup to warm you up. This is a new recipe, a zucchini, walnut and dill soup. It's super simple. Today I'm using the Vitamix Ascent A3500i. This is Vitamix's top of the line model. It comes in this beautiful brushed stainless steel finish. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to put in 2 whole zucchinis, okay? So I'm just going to chop those up a little bit, just to make it a little bit easier for the Vitamix. Now, zucchinis are filled with water and fiber. They're really low in calories though, and they're also filled with lots of vitamin C and vitamin A. So really good for your vision, to improve your vision. Just going to put in another zucchini. If you're using smaller zucchinis, then you probably need 3. But zucchinis can grow up to 1 meter long. Pretty amazing. Now I'm just going to add 2 cups of water. I'm just using cold water, filtered water. Now all the measurements are down the side of my Vitamix in cups and mils. I'm also going to add in some spring onion, give it a nice flavor. You can notice here I'm using the root. They call this a whole food machine. That's exactly what you're getting. 1 clove of garlic there with the skin. We don't have to worry about peeling it. Same with the vegetarian stock cube. I don't worry about peeling it. I get more iron in my diet. Just joking. No nutritional content in the wrapper. Make sure we peel our stock cubes. Throw that in. Now I've got some fresh walnuts. Now these are a brain food. They actually even look like a brain. So I'm going to throw those in. They're going to cream up my soup. Just a really good handful there. I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon. The juice of half a lemon. Straight in it goes. We don't want to get the pips in there, but it doesn't matter if you do. And some beautiful fresh dill. This is one of my favorite herbs. It's so nutritious for you. Let's throw that in. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Beautiful. Just going to bring everything together nicely. A little bit of seasoning. Some salt and pepper. I want to get a good bit of salt and pepper in there. You know, it's quite a large soup. This salt comes out pretty quick, so probably just 10 or so twists of that. That's it, we're done. So hot soup in a blender. How's this guy gonna do this? Well, it's simple, okay? I'm just using the friction heat. There's no heating element inside the machine at all. Pretty amazing. I'm gonna make a hot soup in about 5 to 6 minutes from raw ingredients. Always make sure you lock your lid into place, otherwise you can redecorate your kitchen. Not a good look. Now the A3500i has 5 pre-programmed settings. Today I'm going to be using the soup setting. So I just hit that and it's going to say 5 minutes 45 seconds. So I'm going to press start, it's going to speed up, it's going to get up onto high speed, and then it's going to automatically switch itself off after 5 minutes 45, and my soup will be piping hot and ready to eat. Away we go. That's how quick and easy it is to make a beautiful hot soup. It's taken me about 5 to 10 minutes from scratch, and this is the finished result. I can feel the heat coming out of the side of the container. That's just the friction heat. Raw vegetables, 5 minutes, steaming hot soup. Look at that, absolutely amazing. Now that's just raw zucchinis and walnuts. You can cook the zucchini first if you prefer, if it doesn't agree with your stomach when it's raw, but I have no issues with it raw like this, and it's more nutritious when it's raw. Right, look at that. Look at that beautiful green color. That's just from the raw zucchini and that fresh dill. Absolutely beautiful. Now, if you'd like to buy a Vitamix and you're located in Australia, New Zealand, the US, Canada, or the UK, you can either watch this video here or you can click on the links in the captions below. Happy blending!